Welcome to Golden Happy Children YouTube channel. Today we are making chocolate Viyana Bun. Let me tell you the ingredients. You need 250 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of milk powder, 2 teaspoons of butter and 3 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of yeast. You need 50 grams of cocoa powder and half cup of warm water. Let's start from the sugar and the yeast. You are going to pour the warm water. Then mix it well. Then keep it aside. We are going to take the flour, add the milk powder, then the butter, and the cocoa powder. Then mix it well. Now we are going to add the sugar and the yeast mixture to the flour. Then mix it well. Make it as a ball. Then take a wet towel, close it. You can use a kitchen towel also. It. Keep it in a cool place. After 1 hour. Now we are going to take the dough after 1 hour. It should should be double sized. Then we are going to push the dough until the wind goes out. Now my dough is a bit light, so I'm going to add a bit of chocolate brown color, tiny bit. Then we are going to mix the dough well. Until we get the brown color. I'm going to add some butter to my hand because the dough is a bit sticky. Then take out the dough. Roll it as a ball. Then cut it to 3 pieces. Take 1 piece of the divided dough and roll it like this. Then cut it in the middle. Keep it aside. Then we are going to do the same to the other pieces. Now we are going to put on a wet towel on the pieces. We are going to let it aside to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to sprinkle some flour on the board. Then take 1 piece and knead the dough like this. Now, we're going to open the Nutella bottle. We're going to take a bit of it and now we are going to roll the dough. turning. We are going to do the same to the others. Now you are going to preheat your oven to 10 minutes and the temperature will be 200 Celsius. After preheating your oven, you are going to change the time to 15 minutes. It's the same temperature. Ask a parent to put the tray to the oven. Now tell a parent to take out the Viyana rolls